Alright, so welcome to this Roblox game. I'll put the link in the description for this game. I don't remember what it's called. I just randomly hopped into it because I just saw it and I saw math. I was like, oh, okay. And yeah, I'm a little sick too. And yeah, we have like mathematics foundation, mathematics higher. There's like a lot of stuff here. It's really cool. Biology, physics, French, chemistry. Super cool. Macbeth, I literally don't know what that is. Yeah, I have like the IQ of a dolphin or something. I don't know. Not that smart. IQ of a goldfish or something. But yeah, I've already been through like the first three of these. It's just if I remember, that is. So like here we have to solve for x. X squared minus 5x plus 6. And so we would factor that out as x. Yeah, you know what? Here, let's write it down here, shall we? Let's go like this. Minus 5x plus 6. This would just factor out to x minus 3, x minus 2. So then our solutions are x equals 3, x equals 2. Booyah. So yeah, x equals 3, or like maybe it wants me to do like 2 and 3, 2 comma 3. I forgot how I wrote it. There you go. Yeah. And then what is the exact value of sine to 30 degrees? If we look at the unit circle, the y value of whatever that the sine 30 degrees, that would be 1/2. At least I think that's how you describe it. I'm still pretty new to the unit circle, yeah. So, but I looked at a circle earlier, the unit circle earlier, and I saw that yeah, sine of 30 is just 1/2. And I was just doing this right here, the simplifying the 50 squared. So if we simplify square root of 50, the like largest square we can take out of this is 25, right? Because 25 is just 5 squared. And so this is just 25 square root of 25 times square root of 2, which then we can just square root that. So then we get 5 to that. Boom, that's what we get. So 5 square root 2. All right, expand x plus 3, x minus 2. Pretty simple. That should be pretty simple. So yes, of course we just FOIL it out. So we go from this x to this x to the minus 2, and yeah, so you get that x squared, minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. Yep, and then we just add these together, so we get x squared plus x minus 6. So x squared plus x minus 6. Booyah. Okay, differentiate. Okay, we're already that's a pretty big jump, I would say, but I don't know. So anyways, we have this plus 5x. So we're just gonna do the power rule. We're gonna drop this 2 over here. So now we have 2 times 3, and then so now we have 2 times 3, right? Because we dropped the 2 in front. And now we're gonna do minus 1. This one here is just a 1, so you just drop it in front. 5 times 1 is just 5, and then we're gonna minus 1 there. So then this x goes bye-bye. And so we have 6x plus 5. Solve for x. Okay, let's see. Let's just add 8 on both sides. So then we get 2x squared equals 8. Then we just do this, divided by 2. Then you get x squared equals 4. Then you just square root both sides. Cancels that out. X equals 2. Ooh. Integrate. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know how to do that. Integrate? Wait, maybe I do. Because I was doing things that were kind of like integration. So assuming it's just this, the indefinite integral of 2x dx, right? Assuming it's just that, then we just find the antiderivative of it, right? I would assume. So we have 1, and then we just add 1, and then, okay, here, we'll do like this. So you have 2x to the first power. So then we just add 1, and then we divide it by 2. These 2 cancel, and then we just get x squared, right? Okay. Okay. That's good. Factorize x squared minus 9. Okay. We can do that. X squared minus 9. That should just be x minus 3 cubed, right? I mean, not cubed. Squared? Right? Am I crazy? No. That would be it. Or unless it just wants it like this, then like, yeah. Yeah, you can do it like that. X minus 3. And then x plus 3. 4. That's a 4. There we go. Nice. 3 to the power of x equals 27. So 3 to the power of x equals 27. Well, I mean, this one's pretty simple, so we don't have to use logarithms for it. It's just 3. Like, if you know, you know. It's pretty simple. What's the gradient? Ooh, I don't. In my school, we never use the word gradient, but I'm pretty sure that just means slope. So that should be pretty simple, right? Hopefully. And we're just gonna divide it all by 2 here, so we get y equals 2x plus 3. So then it's just 2. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. So we have 2x cubed times 3x squared. So it's just that, right? Right? Am I crazy? I feel like there's a lot more to that. Okay, no, we're fine. Here we have solve for x. 5x minus 7 equals 3. What? How? Why did we go from differentiation and integration to like you know, like algebra 1 stuff? What the heck? That was really sudden. Okay, so we're gonna get a 10, then we're gonna get 5x, and you know, just divide by 5. X equals 2. Very cool. Differentiate. This should just be 15x squared. I don't really get it. It's just that. Oh no, absolute values. All right, I'm not good with these. I'm not good with these. So I think we have to do this, and we also have to do this, right? Pretty sure. And so we just solve for each one. Plus 3. Plus 3 plus 3. So we get x equals 8, or x equals. Wait. No. Hold on. Remove this, because x equals 8 on this side, but this one means negative 2. So negative 2 or 8? Negative 2, 8. All right. Find the value of k if x equals 2 is a root of x. Okay. This is gonna be kind of weird. But then the root of this is gonna be 4. So this will be 16 minus k times 2, I would assume that would be. Or is it just for that root right there? Okay, then we're just gonna plug in x equals 2 for all of those then. That makes sense. That makes sense in my head. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So yeah, the 16 plus 10. 16 plus 10 is just 26 minus k by 2 equals 0. Then just minus 26 minus 26. Cross out, then we get negative k 2 equals negative 26. I'm just going to divide by negative 2. So then k equals 13? Maybe? Okay. Expand and simplify. Okay, let's do that. So this will just be x squared plus 4x plus 4. Expand and simplify? Well, this is already its most simplest form. Am I right? Let's just type in this. Yeah, okay. Find the value of x if 3x divided by 4 is 9. Equals 9. We're trying to find x. So let's just times by 4 on each side here. So these two cancel. We get 3x equals 36. Divided by 3. X equals 12. Shabam. Okay. What, like, seriously though, like, what? We went from integration and differentiation to this? Even though it was like very basic differentiation and integration. But like, wow. Kind of crazy. Equals 14. I'm gonna divide this whole thing by 2. So we get x plus 3 equals 7. then you know you just minus 3, so then x would equal 4. 1/2 to the power of 3. 1/2 times 1/2 is just 1/4, and then times 1/2 is just 1/8. Express 0.75 as a fraction in simplest form. What the heck? Find the equation of a line with gradient 3 and y-intercept 2. So that'd be y equals 3x plus 2. That's 4. Hold on. Oh, I don't know. I'm kind of spinning through these, but yeah. Okay, let's expand this. So we have x squared. Oh, never mind. I thought it was like a quadratic or like a bigger quadratic, you know, where there's like more stuff in it, but no, it's just x to the power 6. Factorize 3x. 3x squared, okay. Plus 0. That should be pretty simple. So it'd just be 3x plus something. Nope. 3x. Nope. Oh my god, I can't English. And then. Gosh, I never liked these, dude. I never liked these. I forgot the strat that I did, even though I did a 100 like factoring problems on that black pen red pen video. I did it with them. I was like watching the video and did it with them. So I think it's like u times 3 on both sides. U times 3. Oh my god. So you times this, the whatever that number is, to that side, which is just gonna be 0. So we have x blah blah. And then, oh my god, I'm trying to remember. So what adds up to get 12 and multiplies to get 0. So of course one of these has to be 0. 3, 3. One of them has to be 0, so we'll just have the plus. One of these has to be plus, so then we have divided by 3, so then we have x plus 4. So I think we have 3x plus 0, x plus 4? Let's try that. 3x plus, 3x plus 0, and then x plus 4. X plus 4. All right, let's go, dude. So for x, 7x plus 5 equals 56. 26. I can't read. I'm illiterate. Anyways, minus 5, minus 5. These 5s cancel over here. We're going to get 7x plus 21. I mean, equals 21. Divided by 7, x equals 3. Bam. Wow, that was not bad. Not bad at all. That was a lot easier than I thought. I thought it was going to be so much harder because there's like the integration and differentiation stuff. I thought I was gonna climb further than that, but that was pretty sick. I'll probably do the mathematics foundation in a different video. So yeah, thanks for watching.